Welcome to PSR Brothers. This is Nitya here. Today's video is going to be on different collections. It's going to be Bhagalpuri silk sarees in that very pretty embroidery pattern we have in the Bhagalpuri sarees, and another pattern what we are going to see is going to be tissue cotton linens. In that we have some lovely batik prints. These are the two varieties what we are going to see today. And regarding the maintenance of both these sarees, it's simple. Hand wash is fine for both these sarees. Before seeing the sarees, please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get regular notifications. To purchase the saree, take a screenshot and send us to the number 938485129. I repeat, it's 938485129. Come on, let's start seeing the sarees now. It's a very lovely cotton linen saree, and in that we have a small tissue weaving also in this. So there's a slight shine in the body. Both the sides we have golden zari and batik woven design along the border, and throughout the body we have batik booties running along the body. And the pallu of the saree is a contrast one in brown, and again the blouse is also a contrast blouse. This is the blouse of the saree, and the price of the saree is 1080. In the same pattern we have some lovely color combinations. The next is going to be a very pretty pink with maroon brown shade, a cotton linen tissue, very pretty design, pink. The body is pink, and the pallu is a brown color saree, and the price of this saree is 1080. The next combination is green and black. The body is a green cotton linen batik in tissue. So this is the body. There's a slight shine in the saree, but not very too shiny, a slight shimmer alone. This is the pallu, and the blouse is again a contrast black color blouse, and the price of the saree is 1080. The next is a light sapphire green. A light sapphire green body, and the pallu is in navy blue, and the blouse is again a contrast navy blue blouse. So this is how the saree looks, and the price of the saree is 1080. The next combination is a very pretty navy blue with pink. Very classy design, classy color combination. So navy blue, and the pallu of the saree is in pink, and the blouse is again in contrast pink. So this is the blouse, and this is how the saree looks, and the price of the saree is 1080. A very beautiful batik linen saree again in tissue, a lovely design, a very beautiful paisley running along the body, and both the sides we have golden zari borders, and above that again a batik pattern design. And the pallu of the saree is this in navy blue, and the blouse is again a contrast blouse in navy blue, and the price of this saree is 1080. The next is a black combination, black with a maroon color combination. The body is black cotton batik, tissue cotton batik, and this is the pallu. It's all cotton linen, very nice material to wear, and the blouse is in contrast maroon, and the price of the saree is 1080. The next combination is green. The body is green, and the pallu is black, nice green, lovely shade. So this is how the saree looks. The body of the saree is this, and the pallu of the saree is this, and the blouse is again a contrast blouse in black. I'll show you the blouse. Yeah, this is the blouse, and the price of this saree is 1080. The next is a rust with light rust color. This is how the body is, rust with nice batik paisleys running along the body. These are all linen cotton tissues, and the pallu is in contrast maroon, and the blouse is again in contrast. The next combination is navy blue. This is the body, navy blue, and the pallu is in pink. Pallu is in pink, and the blouse is in contrast pink. This is the blouse, and this is the body, and the price of the saree is 1080. This very pretty Bhagalpuri silk, in that a lovely embroidery pattern with some prints also. It's a light lotus pink color. Bottom part we have a print, and above that a beautiful design. This is all completely hand embroidered ones. Very neatly designed, neatly embroidered. Throughout the body we have the embroidery. And the pallu of the sari is this. And the blouse of the sari is plain blouse. And the price of the sari is 1150. In the same pattern we have some lovely color combinations. It's a light sandal with maroon color combination. Very pretty design. So this is how the sari is. The bottom part we have a small print, and above that embroidery running along the body. You have this embroidery throughout the body. So this is how it looks. This is the body of the sari. A pretty design. Next is going to be a light elachi green. A very lovely color combination. Light elachi green with dark green embroidery. So this is how it looks. And the price of the sari is 1150. The next is a light grey with dark grey embroidery. Really class. Neat designs, beautiful finish. And the price of the sari is 1150. This is again a very lovely embroidery in the Bhagalpuri silk pattern. Both the sides we have a contrast border, printed contrast border, and throughout the body it's an embroidery design running along the body. So this is completely embroidered. And the pallu of the sari is this printed pallu, and the blouse is in contrast color. This is the blouse of the sari, and the price of this sari is 1150. In the same Bhagalpuri silk we have beautiful colors in the same pattern. It's a grey with a beige combination. The border is like this, printed design, and throughout the body you have lovely embroideries. So this is how the sari looks. So this is the sari, and the price of the sari is 1150. The next is a green, a chutney green with a contrast border. So this is how the sari looks, and the price of the sari is 1150. The next combo in the same pattern is a light brown, more of a purplish brown. You have a slight tinge of purple and brown mix, and the border is in beige combination with full embroidery throughout the body. This is how the sari looks, and the price of the sari is 1150. In the same Bhagalpuri pattern we have some lovely different designs and embroidery. So I'll just show you like that. This is a fawn with a grey color embroidery. On the bottom part we have a small printed design, and above that throughout the body of the sari we have small embroideries. This is more of a leafy pattern design. So this is how the sari is. A very pretty embroidery, and the blouse for this sari is as per the border. So this is the blouse of the sari, and the price of this sari is 1150. The next is going to be a very lovely mehendi green with a pretty bird embroidery. Both the sides we have a printed border in beige combination, and throughout the body it's a beautiful embroidery in bird pattern design. Throughout the body you have this very lovely design. Looks really class and neat, cute designs. And the blouse of the sari is this in printed, and the price of this sari is 1150. The material is really soft and very flowy material. The same pattern. The next is going to be a beautiful bluish grey. Very pretty collection. Beautiful bluish grey. So this is how the body is, and the price of this sari is 1150. In the same pattern, it's a very pretty light grey with the black and beige color combination in the border printed, and the paisley of the embroidery is a manga pate design. So this is how the sari looks. Very beautiful design, lovely pattern, very nice, and the price of the sari is 1150. Next we have a light green with a contrast small border, and throughout the body small floral motifs. All the designs are all embroidered. So this is how the sari looks. And the blouse for this saree is in printed with small checks pattern design, and the price of this saree is 1150. The next is a light coffee brown, very pretty light coffee brown, and a very lovely embroidery. This is how the saree is, a beautiful embroidery. And this is the pallu of the saree, and the blouse of the saree is this, a pretty blouse, and the price of this saree is 1150. Thanks for watching the video. I'm sure you would have liked the lovely collections. To purchase these sarees, take a screenshot and send us to the number 93848 51299. I repeat, it's 93848 51299. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.